Guys, are you looking for something nice? You have to check out this beautiful pre-owned Admiral. Hey, Mitch the RV Guy bringing you a 2004 Monaco-built Holiday Rambler, the Admiral 36-footer. It's in fantastic shape. Fiberglass roof, which is really what you want for something that you're going to be having for a long period of time, that is just going to hold up over the years. Let me show you the inside. Now, what's something you don't expect when you get a pre-owned something? New! Check this out. You've got brand new carpet that's been put in this all the way through by the previous owner, literally within a few months of them consigning it. And the job on the installation is absolutely one of the best carpet jobs I've ever seen. Look at the detail work around here. It's much better than factory. Has carpet pad underneath it. It's very comfortable. Also, they went ahead and did the HD TV conversion for you. Looks like it came from the factory. Has the tie downs for travel. It's in great shape. Less than 17,000 miles on this, actually less than 16,000. You do have your power gear levelers. The seats are fully supportive. Feels like the guy that used to own this maybe weighed 100 pounds, because this does not feel like nobody's ever sat in it before. And it's in fantastic shape. You've got a huge slide out that contains a nice couch that turns into a bed, real wood storage, not that veneer storage. And of course, because this is a Holiday Rambler product, notice that this actually has the thermal padding. Same thing for on the roof. This is a nice laminated roof that's going to give you plenty of protection, not only from noise and heat and cold, but also from aging and time, because it's built so well. The nice table that actually goes away when you don't need it. Very, very good for table space for a couple of adults, and you can add some more chairs and actually make it really nice. Huge amount of kitchen space for something this size. And of course, if it's getting it at Mr. Motorhome, you know it's been well vetted, like a vice presidential candidate sometimes. We only take the very best stuff. If it is at all shady or something another dealership might tool on to get right, we're just going to go ahead and dump it, because Lon Lundgren has got quality standards that are unmatched in the RV industry. Same thing for this Norcold refrigerator here. This is the top of the line Norcold adjustable temperature control refrigerator freezer. That's American built Thetford product. Very, very, very reliable. It's what I like to see. Top of the end appliances. In the bathroom, look at all the counter space that this is going to give you, along with a foot flush toilet, which is very convenient, especially if you have somebody around that doesn't wash their hands as well as they should. I'm looking at you, Mark. Then you might want to go ahead and you do the foot flush instead. That works out a little bit better. Convenient center in here, along with what could be more convenient than the master bedroom, actually having a master bathroom that has real slider doors on it. Another toilet so that my guests don't have to come back here, or you know, even me and my wife can have our own separate areas. Again, the HD TV conversion has already been done, along with your DVD player here. Huge amounts of space throughout this entire coach. It is in fantastic shape, and with the two powerful ACs on this, even if you're in the Mojave Desert, you're still going to be just fine. Let's go ahead and take a peek at the outside. Guys, when this was built, Holiday Rambler had been celebrating 50 years of building coaches. They really know what they're doing. They'd had time to sort out what their customers had been running into, and they really have some nice stuff. For example, vacuum bonded walls, very, very resistant to delamination. Some of the products that you look at, for example, this one over here, is just going to be a laminated product that's bonded. This actually uses 144 tons. 144 tons of pressure to push this wall together to make it so that it forms a more even union, as they say. Large storage. It's actually very deep, along with 110 plugs and grommets for you to be able to run extension cords up and be able to plug in. Huge propane tank in here. So the awnings that you have covering out your slide outs are very, very helpful to stop debris and water from getting in there. And of course, look at how nice it is to have that giant awning that goes across the coach as well. And knowing that this is a Monaco / Holiday Rambler product, this has always been tailored to the high-end market of clientele. It definitely was not a cheap coach when it was brand new. You can see that with all the build details and all the storage that it gives you, but it's a very good value on the pre-owned market, because they hold their value over time, because they are so well built that they don't fall apart over time. This is still going to be good 10 years from now, as long as you take care of it. Fully molded rear, along with the nice Jensen wide angle lens on the back for you to be able to see. And just take a look straight down this fiberglass. You see just how nice that is, how straight and proper. That's that vacuum bonding laminate process I was telling you about, along with the roof, which is actually a single piece fiberglass roof, which is going to stand up a lot better than rubber roofs over time to degrade and aging. Your storage actually has the slide out, have these nice rotocast full one-piece plastic storage doors that are the units inside the slide out itself, so that they come with the slide on the way out. You don't have to get underneath, and there's no way for water intrusion to happen in there, because there's no seams. This is in very, very good shape. Guys, you got to come visit us. 9501 East Stockton Boulevard. I've got pre-owned inventory going around the entire building, sometimes on both sides and right through the middle down here as well. And every single one of these guys, we're going to do a systems check before it gets to you. Make sure that, like a bully, we're going to shake the lunch money like problems out of these RVs and make sure there's none left. Guys, Mitch the RV Guy, hoping to hear from you real soon.
Hi folks, Lon Lundgren, Mr. Motorhome. Come see us, Highway 99 and Elk Grove Boulevard.
But keep an eye out for the guard puppies.